How to prepare a resume, step-by-step guide. Preparing a resume is a crucial step in your job search. It's your opportunity to present your skills, qualifications, and experiences to potential employers. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to prepare an effective resume. 1. Choose the right format. Chronological resume. List your work experience in reverse chronological order. Most recent job first. Functional resume. Highlight your skills and qualifications, focusing less on the timeline. Combination, hybrid resume. Combine elements of both chronological and functional formats. 2. Contact information. Include your full name, phone number, email address, and, optionally, your LinkedIn profile or personal website. 3. Resume objective. Write a brief, well-crafted objective statement, 2-3 sentences, that highlights your career goals and what you bring to the table. 4. Professional experience. List your work experience, starting with your most recent job. Include the company name, job title, location, city, state, and dates of employment. Use bullet points to describe your key responsibilities and achievements in each role. Be specific and quantify your accomplishments when possible. For example, increased sales by 20% in the first quarter. 5. Educational qualification. Include your educational background, starting with your highest degree. Mention the name of the institution, degree earned, major, if applicable, graduation date, and any honors or awards. 6. Skills. Create a section to highlight relevant skills, such as technical skills, languages, certifications, or soft skills, for example, communication, leadership. 7. Achievements or awards. Include a section for any significant achievements, awards, or honors you've received, particularly if they're relevant to the job you're applying for. 8. Additional sections. Consider adding sections like professional memberships, publications, projects, or volunteer work, if they enhance your qualifications. 9. Customize your resume for each job application. Highlight skills and experiences that align with the specific job description. 10. Carefully proofread your resume for spelling, grammar, and formatting errors. Consider using a professional font and maintain consistent formatting throughout. 11. Seek feedback. Ask a trusted friend or mentor to review your resume and provide feedback. 12. Save your resume. Save your resume in a common format, example PDF or Word, with a professional file name, like john_resume.pdf. 13. Online presence. Ensure that your LinkedIn profile or personal website aligns with the information on your resume. 14. Keep it concise. Aim for a resume length of 1 page for early career professionals and up to 2 pages for those with more extensive experience. 15. Use action verbs. Start each bullet point with a strong action verb, example, managed, implemented, achieved, to describe your accomplishments. 16. Be honest. Always be truthful and accurate in your resume. Misrepresenting your qualifications can have serious consequences. Remember that your resume is a dynamic document that should evolve as your career progresses. Regularly update it to reflect new experiences and skills. With a well-crafted resume, you'll increase your chances of making a positive impression on potential employers and securing job interviews. Here is a model resume. Thanks for watching. If you like it, share it to others.